One such prey of the media, of these media tactics, was myself. 8 months back, in the 4th week of June 2010, I was supposed to give a series of talks in UK. I was supposed to give a talk in the Wembley Arena, in Wembley, London, in LG Arena, NEC Birmingham, as well as Sheffield Arena in Sheffield. All these venues had a capacity of 10 to 15,000 people, and these are prestigious venues. Just 3 weeks before my lecture tour, there was an article which came in one of the leading newspapers, that is Sunday Times. Sunday Times, it gave an article, Muslim Preacher of Hate Let into Britain. And this article, it gave portions of my speeches, which were either quoted out of context or they were misquoted. And it portrayed me as a preacher of hate, a person who promotes terrorism. They revoked and cancelled my visa. I had a valid 5 years multiple entry visa to UK, which was issued on the 15th of July 2008, valid till 15th of July 2013.